Crisis management. Crisis management is a challenge that can keep leaders awake at night, worried about the critical decisions they must make. Crises, whether financial, public relations, or internal conflicts, demand quick and effective responses, generating immense pressure. In the solitude of the night, the leader reflects on the possible consequences of the decisions they must make in the midst of the crisis. They wonder if they are prepared to handle the situation and if their actions will protect the organization and its employees. The night brings back memories of past crises, where decisions were tough and outcomes uncertain. These memories create anxiety as the leader mentally revisits the lessons learned and applies them to the current situation. Although managing a crisis may seem like a solitary challenge, it is an experience shared by many leaders. In their sleepless nights, each leader becomes John Doe, facing the pressure of making decisions that could change the course of their organization. Each beam of light from Lighthouse illuminating your path in the midst of the storm of the crisis represents the clarity and calm you need to make informed and strategic decisions. Let this lighthouse guide you, keeping you focused on the solution and not the chaos surrounding you.